Hi there. I just wanted to make a short video explaining how I load 120 roll film onto a Patterson's reel to develop it. I've had a couple of messages with people saying they're struggling with it, and it is something I struggled with at first, and I've tried a few different methods, but this is the best way that I've found to get this film onto this reel. Obviously you need to do this in absolute darkness. This is an exposed roll of film, so in darkness I would break the seal and then roll the film out until I feel roll the paper out until I feel the start of the film. I would then hold the film and unroll the entire roll of film to separate it from the paper until I get to the end, and then I would tear it, and that leaves a really nice rigid piece of film with the paper backing. What I've tried in the past is cutting these corners, and it didn't work consistently, and then you're just pinching with your fingers. Obviously this is all done in complete darkness, and as soon as I get past the ball bearings, you'll feel that. Put my thumb and my index finger either side of the lugs and turn backwards and forwards, and you'll occasionally have to release the tension, and that's it on. Now you can keep going and roll that right into the centre, and then you'll get a second roll of film on the same reel, but I'm not going to waste another roll of film just to show you how to do that. But just keep rolling until that stops and you'll get a second roll of film on. Happy shooting 120.